Are you searching for IELTS preparation full course, but still feeling confused about where to start? Most students study for months, yet stay stuck at Band 6. Here's the truth. IELTS is not an English test. It is a skills test. And once you understand this, your preparation becomes simple. For listening, you don't need difficult words. You need prediction, attention to key words, and spelling accuracy. Reading is not about reading fast. It's about scanning, understanding question traps, and managing time correctly. Writing is where most students lose marks. Not because of grammar, but because of unclear ideas. Examiners want structure, logic, and clear answers. Speaking is not about accent. It's about fluency, natural responses, and staying calm under pressure. Most students fail because they memorize templates, chase advanced vocabulary, practice without feedback. That's why this channel is different. I'm breaking the complete IELTS preparation course into simple, daily shorts. Follow this channel and watch one short every day to move step by step toward Band 7+. Start from day 1. Stay consistent, and IELTS will stop feeling difficult.